Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. It's Mark and Popeye. It's a MGM hat from the 90s or 80s. Yeah, I kind of had a whole bunch of them. Man, didn't sleep that good last night. Going to go to the flea market and pick up some fresh vegetables and fruit for the week. Got to stop eating that fast food. I mentioned it in some of my videos. Much cheaper there than the grocery stores. So I thought I'd take you guys along, see what I find, and it should be a good one. Well, let's find out what we find. We're gonna get rained on. Oh well, I got my rain suit on. Well, half of it. It's gonna pour on us. It's okay. I'm somewhat prepared for it. We'll see. Uh-oh. I heard the tarps. It's gonna pour on everybody. And they're starting to get ready. Yep. Yep. I got $14 in vegetables and fruit. Well, not much vegetables, just wanted to break that 100. I haven't had much luck around here lately. Everybody's trying to get gold for their items. So we'll you want to know what happens when it rains in a flea market? There you go. And he's in the rain. He's down here. Try to kill me on the 300. I just keep losing when I buy volume from him. I haven't made any profit from anything I bought from him. He just throws a number out, and he wouldn't get 300 at an auction. I gotta sit on them for several years just to make money from it. It's just too long. It's a bummer because it's right up my alley. But it's alright, I just learned to walk away. I'm not giving anybody $300 for unknown. It's coming. It's gonna pour. Everybody's trying. He can put them away and sell them. Have people go through them. These people are ready. It's just gonna pour. Yeah, he's running out of money, Jose. He's in a U-Haul. He bought clocks this time around. Well, the plants don't need to be covered. Yep. Yeah, they found treasures there. They're finding all sorts of good stuff in there. You know when they do, they're beehives. I'm gonna stop asking Dusty for prices because none of it makes sense. He's in the middle of a rainstorm. There's a lot there. Would have paid triple what I would have bet at auction. There's no more time to waste with him. He should just open a store. He lost a customer. He lost a customer. He was on Storage Wars. So he'll sell them. He'll get rid of them. I would have given him like 200 would have been the max. But he's always like way over my max. Like I almost like embarrassed to ask him anymore. Ooh. This might be the place I go. So he charged me a lot more money than he should have. This is my new spot. I'm not going to go to the one at the entrance anymore. He overcharged me. He started weighing things. The last week he didn't weigh anything. Let's start with this and I'll put those away. Thank you for the break. You guys appreciate that. Well, I had an opportunity to buy something, but it just doesn't make sense anymore. I haven't made any profit off anything I bought from the vendor. You know, you go to his eBay store and it's 500 this, 500 that. It's like he just thinks everything's gold. But at the end of the day, he throws away a shitload of stuff. And I'm going to be more stricter. So I got $24 in vegetables. I feel like I might have gotten taken on some of it because the guy seems like I charged more than I did last week from one guy. Yeah, got fruit, some strawberries, and some tomatoes for $14, and I'm like, that doesn't seem right. So I found another vendor in there that, you know, you buy 2, you get discount. You buy 3, you get cheaper. It's like, that's the type of buying I need to have. Whew! That's what it looks like when it rains out. Feel bad for the ones that showed up and had fresh inventory. Especially the storage locker guys. They all had fresh inventory and you can tell the difference. They don't have the same stuff every week. Whew! Oh man. I got lucky. I had my rain gear. I had my umbrella. I was only maybe 0.5% of people had an umbrella out there. So it went from 40 to 60% rain. I knew it was going to rain on me, so I got ready. But I was coming here mainly to focus on if I can find the right item quickly, that the guy just wants to get rid of it because it's raining. And the guy asked $300 for it. And the last lot of coins I paid $170 and there were twice as many. And I just couldn't spend $300 on something that's going to sit in the store for so long. I got to start, you know, I haven't seen profit margins here at this flea market in my store. Now my auctions, I'm seeing profit margins, so I need to be aware of that. Heading down to the beach. That gate is closed. I gotta go to the next one. Oh, it's a beautiful sunset. We had rain today. The flea market got rained out. I feel bad for the people that set up. I got some fruit and vegetables for the week. I passed up on some stuff that I got such a big death pile, so I just passed up on it. But yeah, it's going to be a beautiful sunset. We'll get down there and take a look at it. My changing up the channel a little bit. I'm about a month ahead on videos, and I scheduled them all out one day in advance. I'm going to try to do 5 videos a week and get into more of vlog style talking and showing. And I was doing just 2 a week for a while, and I just got like a month ahead, and then I got up mixed up. So the next couple of weeks won't be in any order, but soon we'll stay in order. And I won't like switch things up as I go do trips and stuff. So when I mention something in a video, I could be more accurate about what the next video will be about. I had a pretty fun day. Orders were pretty low. It was one of the slowest days of the year so far. We're at the end of April, and I've only had 2 orders so far today. I've scheduled every hour a month of April, so Oh, bummer. I got a waiting line. Anyway, I'll cut you back in here a little bit. Boy, this pass really, really helps. I can get into like 300 state parks. You can check this out at the local library. Any local library, I'll have this for a week. California, at least. I don't know about your state that you're from, but yeah, it's paid for itself. It's $15 to enter this place, day use. So I come down here twice a day, sometimes once in the morning, once in the afternoon. But yeah, today I got up super early. I got myself an early start. So I'm gonna try to do that again tomorrow, but I'm gonna not drink coffee so early. I'm gonna try to push my coffee off until like around 10 or 11, so I don't take a long nap. I take a nap every day, about an hour. I just wake up. There's no alarm needed. I just sleep for an hour and start a new day. It feels like I get to extend the day out, and I've been doing that my whole entire life. Okay, what is this guy? There we go. And so I'm trying to make adjustments. I'm trying to get going, start working at 5 in the morning, and then shut her down at 10 in the evening. And it's not all reselling all day, but it's something towards it. I thought that was kind of a new strategy. Instead of waking up at 7:30, I can squeeze a couple more hours. I do really good in the morning. Once I'm up, I'm pretty stoked. I go pretty hard, and I'm more of a. I mean, I'm a night now. I'm good at night too. So, but I'd imagine if I had a girlfriend or something like that, I would be checking out earlier. But that'll happen sometime. I have to get this tooth fixed first. I'm in no hurry to have a girlfriend. The last one was, I got enough of that for a while. So anyway, I made it before sunset. Now there's a big old cloud there. That's Palos Verdes right there, the mountain. Got a little cold. Whew. Well, my water intake's up today. This is number 6. I'll get to my average. I want to get to 8 a day, and I'll stop tracking. I just need to keep track now, because you just kind of have to stop drinking water for some reason. Your body needs that water. But we're still about 10 minutes away from sunset, so I'll cut back in when it gets closer. Alright, I think the wind is a little bit... We're still not there yet. It's almost. Tomorrow's a big push. I'm gonna try to get 500 product photos done. It doesn't mean I list them, but I'll add them to the AI system. That's the API that my best friend created for me. Hopefully that I'll start listing those on Monday. Woo! Yeah, this is beautiful. This is the Huntington side. The other side is the Newport Beach side. And I've been going to the Huntington Beach area more my vibe. I get pulled over too many times in Newport. My cars are old looking. But yeah, the bonfires down here, you can start smelling them. Summertime, you can really smell them at my neighborhood. Right now, there's only a few going, and you get a whiff of summer. It's coming, guys. Winter is on its way out. We got an alarm, it's supposed to rain, but I think the rain is right there. You can actually see it coming down. But yeah, I got way more than 2 miles walking today. I absolutely did nothing on my listings except some photos, but even then it was really unfocused. I already told you how bad eBay was today. I might run some 2-for-1 offers, and I might have to rethink about entice people to buy. I turned off my 30% sale. That could be a problem. You know, at the end of the month, I'm trying to. I use the draw once a month, and I try to extract as much as I can at the end of the month. So I start turning things off to get that bottom number higher, or the payout higher. Well, that sunset's not going to be as nice as I thought it was going to be. We'll see. I'll cut you guys back in before it goes down. Well, that sunset really was a bummer. Well, it wasn't a bummer. Any day you get to watch the end of the day is pretty cool. You guys have a great day, alright? I'll see you guys in the next video.